Cherries Jubilee was Escoffier's creation for Queen Victoria in 1887. It is a very simple hot cherry sauce for ice cream. To make Cherries Jubilee, scale 25 grams of cane sugar, 25 grams of butter, 25 grams of pitted Bing cherries, and a tablespoon of a good quality brandy into small mason jars, and organize the jars so they are ready to go into the pan. Heat up a small saucepan and add the cherries, sugar, and about a tablespoon of water to help melt the sugar. Measuring a small amount of brandy into a small jar helps to warm the brandy up and make it easier to ignite, and is a lot safer than splashing a little brandy into the pan from the bottle. A small amount of alcohol will burn off quickly instead of an accident igniting the whole bottle. The cherries release their juice and begin to caramelize with the sugar in the pan. Turn the element off. Add the brandy and ignite the brandy with a small torch to flambe the sauce. You can cover the pan with a lid to distinguish the flame, or let the flame burn off the alcohol and distinguish itself. Add a little cold butter to rapidly lower the pan's temperature and combine with the caramelized sugars to create a sweet fondant style cherry sauce. Most people like the dramatic effect of the flambe, but the scorched brandy adds a unique sharpness to the cherry flavor. Place a scoop of vanilla ice cream into the center of a bowl and pour the sauce over top of the ice cream. The sauce melts into the ice cream to cool the sauce down until the dessert is cool enough to eat. Flambéed cherry sauce on ice cream is a fun dessert to entertain friends with.